watching eKhon TV. eKhon TV has been following the stories of many Tangkhul entrepreneurs, and in today's episode we're really excited to meet a master chef from Manipur's Ukhrul district known as Thotchuiwon Jajo. She's also known as Chef Jajo. She has been working in the hotel industry for more than 9 years now, and right at present she is based in New Delhi. So let's meet Chef Jajo. Hello Chef Jajo, welcome to eKhon TV. It's a pleasure to have you in our show.
Thank you.
Karisa da ari issue eKhon TV weekly na li magthetra zangdale. Tani issue viewers pin bang dan na number mitya washla kan hang yo.
All right. Hello everybody. Iwe aming na Thotchuiwon Jajo ye. I ketiawa village ka village we ni krana Ukhrul district Manipur. In chef sada 5-star hotel li singum chiko lang de otsaye. Ila iwe specialize na Oriental and Pan Asian. Arirui in eKhon the show like catering sa laga bamdale. Iwe team na lady chef team. But lagi na iramwi. Northeast pili opportunity kami sa da in lady chef. But lagi Tangkhul now. Atumbi in the train the samaman laga atumbi in the chef sang sag laga. Itum all over India leads at laga food promotion kita catering kita sa laga. Daily li best sadly.
Chef in the hand ya ko career tra lately da jusa se jiko ba.
Right.
Kan na hi particular food industry choose sai ki why this chef.
All right. In a cuisine chef li choose saukla chilaka. One thing is very simple. I love to cook and I love to eat, and I love to give to the people good food. So that is my choice. In a hita de kisha cuisine choose saukla chilaka. Ila firstly ba ila ki kali tsadriklam te samne ila Bangalore li talaga ila ktewa restaurant ak le hostess sai daga thada in the iwi future we bang paning laga chef kaji thada opportunity la high future liya jena achalaka ba chef kaji thada meaning makhle thada people think that chef means just a cook. It's not like that, because chef means like a everyone mean being there. We get a lot of money now if you become a good chef. And I look at the TV host, that is celebrities being. Kachunga yara ba chef being hili tada mina chula ina kuya dam lejilia ara. Jade in the future we want panding laga in a chef in the pamera the in the he choose kasane. Kalam tada I winning song atishu daya. In the ning sanga hotna atishu da illa tada me tanga illa matanga atumi tada success sanga yeda. In the tada iwi hard work atishu da tada illa aram tada success salaga tada eKhon the own company show laga pamde.
Nana successful sala kaya chef ga sada tada nawi journey hiran gara kai nana ktia wang lo ta man chef ga successful sa mre jiga da aman sak makeup jikhi yang hisara kale national bank tra le successful sai malim. You're one example.
All right. In a good other success kale we chef life we journey li in a good other chikava. In the first time tada in the kitchen ni jang laga ot ga satharan tada we mirindi tough life yang tada eKhon the surrender sa wasiga the latra ka phani ga yang in a winning song at shoulder. In a tada TV channel, Gatali tada Master Chef Australia, Gatawija Tadia, Chitawi young cover, tada chef we mirin, young, tada to the success Kasawing a pa, Glammin the taken me, either Tangamatanga way the Higitai. Sangayaji, you winning the Rashumea. Jade in the Tamama, Hot Namama, Kachot the Chot Lagaya, Kabig Bum Lampa Wibne, tada working hours, 15 hours, sometimes 17 hours. Tada hours the chunglage chef sadly liga plus management the tamaman liga practical the samaman that the chot lage kata salale in the khang maman liga ila tanga matanga me with other successful sanga ye in a positive thoughts kala in the that you that the ninga panik ma in the practical and so the samaman liga it had the Actually, thada miwyak thada mi thada success kasa sambangaya. Laga in thada hotel mangli kasamning la. In a 5-star hotel, 30 hotels India liang thada travel sa laga food promotion kata la saye. Kala media kata kala newspaper channel kata track lila connect sa laga yang. Atum de iwi maram ni interview kasa kala in thada promotion sa cuisine Thai, Chinese, Japanese kata ili promotion sa. Cita ada sama man lega mina iri thay mi maman daya. Ara thada ina hiwangin ina advantage kui lega. Ara ikalata na ita ada own company kiti ano aga show lega. Ina mtai lagi ina iram shongwi. Ata ina hangai tada Northeast li promote kasala sa kala Asian food li promote kasala sa da. Ina ita ada lady chef team aga shem lega. Itu mi Tangkhul na ngala na pinya. Itu ngto ita ada ot sang room lega. Ida imam ning la atumui ka gatong mangai na kala iwi family iwi own brother kani la chef saye kala I entire family tada ina atumni train sa man diga atum gatong la chef line ni chatta achu tada iwi family wi ka gatong kala iwi staff Northeast now ping Tangkhul now ngala now ping na ka gatong ati sure da iya hiya ka manga wa de leis ne ariria tada imam maning la atumui bangai na la I tada success ka sa sam bangai iwi family support wi bangai na Aju I thada rakshung ne shi hangkangai ne.
Chef Jajo shui naga cuisine mi likhang hangai ne. Nana specialize kasa pan Asian cuisine kada hi khangte khile tala ada improve sa ka bai le lai naga cuisine ni kai ni balance diet ni je. Tada no kapning li kada da sa ka pha mai ra kala what is the difference?
Ina ka sai ka thada study sa tharan Oriental Pan Asian ina naga we foodie Kangteva lege lelage jiba iram naga foodi tada organic salad haya simple food tada healthy salad hai kishak zakne jiba iram shong sauces kata seasoning tai trak bache chimne tada chungmai tada iram shong tada ngari tada iram basao leke champu sai tada kanshoi shemai chimye ka Oriental and Pan Asian Chinese Thai Japanese kata tada atum they use lot of sauces tada soya sauce, lega oyster sauce, kata gal coconut base, kata itra shi ya. Ka vegetables kata iba iram shongai na lag tiyo ka ngare chai. Atum la tada soup kata jili iram shong li sang pang herbs tingnar hai singba bam dale. Ka iram shong da cuisine simple sa naida. Tada mina ayarwi foreigners kata lega meyang kata na mashai them ne jiba ba. Tada kasate la salaga ni shay iram shong ya. Lega ngari kata wi fermented tada taste kata wijadi atumli tada jak mahi khana chikta la le pa mai kala tada cuisine simple sa nai da tada mi tada kata hangrik le mi ping da jak maning ka jang cuisine tada thei is ne iram
simple
ya
sala
simple sa ye kami da tada jak ma shai ka thai jiba ba sa dai sa ka sa na le yaw tada ngari yang nam chi ji ka tada khai wi khang nam ka tha ji le ya chikta wi tada mi ping da mahi khana trak le Kaya itu nam thala ina kuni thot ping chef ping na thadam thamai lagai na kiga critics salagai na thada ve itu me phak mai cuisine shem shop pai jiba thingdar hai organic thada organic salak hai ne kala vegetables la herbs ka thala tra sam pa mai ram shong lia je da itu ne hi shi ching la ka practical thada samman la ga itum khalata tada chuila thangam tangam chuila khai cuisine mi thada phaula khai cuisine ka shem shop pai ya je na ri Chinese Thai li hi wa og thui ka tong na mi ku mok tong ka ning ga jang cuisine ka sai de idum la thangam che thada naga food ka ji hila thada idum nam thalai na promote sa pai khani tho chef chu mai de shop no ka le idum khalat na ho ta ma man daga thada phak mai cuisine shem shop pai
Tangkhul now everyone khnui thot pingi entrepreneurs ping tra shobradli khnui thot ping the food industry sang mai ping atum bing na key message ping nai ka thada sa ka the successful chef jang thada nga barak ta message
all right in hang kai ba thada iram shong wi dalai na notice pingi thada hotel industry li kalam thada management liya trak matsat manai jiba thada Atama kaliva chef kaji people think that chef means just a cook, but nowadays everyone thada chef kaji ba thada celebrities kalari hon ba na celebrity chef sai ga paisa la chun chun tang hui ya la na khalat la restaurant on restaurant show la ga pom de la hon ba chef kaji mi na yang kala khaya khia kala khaya chef title la thang sai je na in hang ngai ba ba na tum thada khani thot thira de claiming thada management tamla or any thada hotel industry li od ka satharan I would suggest you today nandali guide me guy ba chef line li chatlo give a kamata kane ba na the future li na kashi tam khoi ga chin wi ne je da na khala da tam khoi le ga na khala da restaurant show le ga pam pai ya chef sai ga kala or chimang maning la na chef sai ga mi ku mo hi ba ka sha za hang ga thai je na khala da healthy food hang le ga ka za wi kala na wi family li ka sha ga zam thalai na hang le ga za hang ru Hillary Parkne, Jane even Tada Natuli Tada Kiga Minga, advice Minga age Baba chef line it's a low. He future with Bangla, no with Bangla, he canala the Hangai.
Chef Jajo no future plan the thing na hiaka successful side na ara future leader the saga globally no we na tamwi hejita the mga bara kada the mga kwiwangai.
In a tada iwi future plan he tada sangai exibaba tada iwi catering company tada ari river tada India mang isadle ya ka tanga international kala tada eKhon restaurant open salaga franchise ka ta sangai ya laga tada sapai ka ba iram shong north east tada Tangkhul now tada ot ma pha khui ki thai milatra ka level me hilia tada athumli hokhui laga tada eKhon na train salaga tada management mi mongai na show laga training mi mamandre laga tada athumli job la phasan mi ngai ye kala lag me de iwi catering la chung hub me de salaga international intang de basung laga sangai ye hina iwi wang la kala iram wi north east mi ping wang la opportunity khamatha hi iwi future plan de kala restaurant la set up la sangai ye hina iwi khamata ya future plan de
Okay. Chef Jajo na eKhon TV lira miwang ning shnai re. It was nice talking with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Kala setup we maram dik dio hanga ye. Jiba hi na traditional Oriental Pan Asian. Matai la na Japanese. Hi da Japanese dough is a traditional dough ya. Laga hi na platter is ka la Japan wen khung sara to be traditional ya. Laga hi tha table mat ka tha we ja hi tha we setup hi Japanese we in a Japanese Asian with theme aga kushok laga hi traditional setup sarga achwe ni kishik hangi hi Japanese chen na kitchen na chibag le kitchen shong mai ngare sang house arena prawns hi we have is le tempura prawns in a tempura powder hi ita de tya mix sai laga flour batter tempura batter ne itu na thau im sai rakla thau is perfect brown here ita da ngorong de vai ina akhamai ni sing laga ita da sang la ita ram chi vai de ina tu ni ita da crunchy sak vai ina crunchy ni until it's golden. I need golden color. This sarang kanda 2 minutes sugar. Cook size ne.